Hello students, this is Miss Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, our today's topic is identifying the food groups of different food items, which is taken from chapter food of your science book. So students, as we have already learned about different food groups, that there are 5 basic food groups, and we also learned about different food items that belong to each of the food group. So now by this time we all know the food groups that each of the food item belong to. So we can easily identify the food groups of the food items that are given. Isn't it, students? So here we have to identify the food groups of the food items that are mentioned here. So students, you have to choose from the 5 basic food groups that you all must know by this time. Let me name them. That are grains, fruits and vegetables, proteins, dairy products, and fats, oils and sugars. These are the 5 basic food groups and we have to choose from them. So let's start. That the question is, identify the food groups of the following food items. So the first food item that is given here is rice. The food item is rice and we have to identify its food group. So students, which food group does food belong to? Which food group does rice belong to? Rice belong to the food group of grains. So we will write grains. Rice belong to the food group of grains. Next food item that is given here is bread. So yes students, which food group does bread belong to? Bread belongs to the food group of grains and it provides us lots of energy. Bread provides us energy and it belongs to the food group of grains. Now the third food item that is given here is apple. So students, apple is a fruit. Apple is a fruit. So it belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Apple is a fruit, so it belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Next one is carrot. Yes students, let's identify the food group of carrot. Students, we all know that carrot is a vegetable. So it belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Carrot belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Don't get confused students, fruits and vegetable is a food group. It's the name of a food group. Now the next food item that is given here is milk. The item is milk. So students, which food group does milk belong to? Milk belongs to the food group of dairy products. Yes, milk belongs to the food group of dairy products. Next we have butter. It also contains milk in it. So students, which food group does butter belong to? Butter belongs to the food group of dairy products. Butter belongs to the food group of dairy products. Then we have meat. It's the meat, students. So students, which food group does meat belong to? It belongs to the food group of proteins. Yes, students, meat belongs to the food group of proteins and it helps in the repairing and growing of our different body parts. Next we have eggs. Yes, we can see so many eggs in the picture. So students, which food group does eggs belong to? Eggs belong to the food group of proteins. Eggs belong to the food group of proteins and it provides protein to our body. Next food group that we have is donuts. Yum, it looks so yummy, students. But is it that much healthy for us? No, it's not. It should be eaten only in little amount. So which food group does donuts belong to? Donut belong to the food group of fats, oils and sugars as it contains sugar in it and it can make us fat. So it belongs to the food group of fats, oils and sugars. Next food item is oil. Yes, students, oil can make us fat. So students, which food group does oil belong to? Oil belongs to the food group of fats, oils and sugars. It belongs to the food group of fats, oils and sugars. So students, have you all understood how to identify the food group of different food items? I am sure you all have understood it. Now here we have a written task. Now whatever we have discussed just now, we have to write that down in our science notebooks. So students, quickly take out your science notebooks and write down the food groups of each of the food items that we have just discussed. So write down the topic food, also mention the topic in your index. Let's start from the question. Identify the food groups of the following food items. You have to make two columns in your science copy. In one column you have to write down the food items and in the second column you will write down the food group. So students, let's read it one by one. The first food item is rice and it belongs to the food group of grains. The next food item is bread and it belongs to the food group of grains also. The next food item is apple. Apple belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. So easy. Apple belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Then we have carrot. Carrot belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. It belongs to the food group of fruits and vegetables. Next food item is milk. Milk belongs to the food group of dairy products. Milk is a dairy product. Then the next one is butter. Butter belongs to the food group of dairy products because it contains milk in it. Butter belongs to the food group of dairy products. It is a dairy product. The next food item is meat. So students, which food item does meat belongs to? We have just discussed. It belongs to the food group of proteins. Meat provide proteins to our body. The next is eggs. The next food item is eggs. And eggs belong to the food group of proteins as well as it provides proteins to our body. So, eggs belong to the food group of proteins. Next one is donuts, which is the favorite of all the students, of all the children. Yes, isn't it, students? So, donuts belong to the food group of fats, oils and sugars as it contains lots of sugar and fat in it. So, students, donuts belong to the food group of fats, oils and sugars. The next food item is oils. Oils belong to the food group of fats, oils and sugars and it can make us fat. So, oils belong to the food group of fats, oils and sugars. Now students, I want all of you to write down these food items along with their food groups. I want all of you to do this question in your science copy and it should be done in a neat and tidy way. And don't forget to write, do not miss any of the food item and do your work very carefully. So students, I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson very much as it was an interesting topic and you all must have enjoyed identifying the food groups of each of these food items. So students, I hope you all will complete your work in a neat and tidy way. Take care of yourself and keep working hard and keep studying at home. Thank you.